Every product has a story. At Berne Apparel, that story is hard work and the people who do it. At Berne, hard work is not just a slogan. It builds communities, it drives progress, and it gives people pride. So Berne listens to the people doing the work, and then they build around what the job demands. You can see that promise across the entire industry. Their direct-to-film printing is industrial wash tested for the toughest jobs. Inside their warehouse, storage climbs 26 feet high. Nothing needs a fixed home because RFID labels and a warehouse management system are built in-house to track every single item wherever it's stored. From high-vis and flame-resistant gear to sun defense and insulated cold weather workwear, every line is built around one promise. When you're on the job, your gear should be the last thing on your mind. This is not clothing made for show. It is gear built for people who show up and work. This is Berne, hard work done right.